Hi, I'm NASA Kennedy's Lindsay Crown, and I'm taking you inside KSC. Aeroshells for Orion's Ascent Abort-2 flight test in April 2019 arrived at Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The 3 outer coverings are being stored inside the vehicle assembly building. They will be stacked and bolted before being used in pathfinding exercises and then for flight. The aeroshells will provide the covering around the Ascent test booster for the flight test launch from Space Launch Complex 46 on Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. NASA's Orion spacecraft is being built to take humans back to the Moon and on to Mars. The first of 2 35-foot-tall Tail Service Mast Umbilicals, or TSMUs, was lifted up and installed on the mobile launcher at Kennedy. The installation brings exploration ground systems one step closer to supporting pre-launch operations for NASA's Space Launch System rocket and Orion spacecraft on Exploration Mission 1. The TSMUs will provide liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen fluid lines and electrical cable connections to the core stage engine section of the rocket. And remember, Spaceport Magazine digs deeper inside KSC.